told him one more thing. It's going to be a hard decision.
These are actually good.
Yeah, I could see those being good.
This is not good. These are good.
Okay, wait, let's show TikTok what all we got.
Something else catches my eye.
3 Pringles, 2 wedding cake ice creams. Oh my gosh, Trevor, this is so bad. I'm gonna get
Bulking season, baby.
I'm gonna get reamed for this. You realize I'm gonna get reamed for this on TikTok?
I gain weight.
Okay. We're gonna buy some fruits and vegetables too on our way out.
Oh,
All right, 38.64. That's what happens when I take Trevor with me.